Hello food lovers! Welcome to Angelina's Culinary Magic, your go-to destination for quick and easy recipes that will dazzle your taste buds. Today, I have a special treat for you, the secret to making perfect boiled eggs in an air fryer. Get ready for a culinary adventure that's both quick and easy. No need to worry about messy pots, water and timers. With the air fryer, it's a breeze. In just a few easy steps, you'll have eggs that are boiled to perfection. So grab your air fryer, gather your eggs, and let's get started on this amazing journey together. Once the room temperature eggs are gently placed in the air fryer basket, we set the temperature to a cozy 275 degrees Fahrenheit, 135 degrees Celsius. Leave them in for 15 minutes for hard-boiled or 10 to 12 minutes if you like them runny. That's it. Your air fryer will work its magic, and in no time, you'll have perfectly boiled eggs. After a quick cooling dip in ice-cold water, the shells crack effortlessly with a gentle tap, revealing the creamy goodness within. A quick peel under running water, and voila! Your eggs are ready to be enjoyed. These versatile delights are perfect for salads, sandwiches, or simply as a quick and healthy snack. The possibilities are endless. So, my fellow food enthusiasts, join me in creating these quick and easy boiled eggs in your air fryer. I know this was quick, but it is that simple. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more culinary adventures and hit that thumbs up button if you found this video helpful. Let's get cooking and make every meal a magical experience. See you again soon.